out right. They are the best of friends in this cartoon town. As long as they are sharing smiles, they will never frown. Oh, Lily and Rory, the perfect pair. Laughter is floating up in the air. Jumping to the rhythm, keeping it so sweet. Bouncing all together down the neon street. Yeah, with the two of them, the day is complete. Step by step and side to side, nothing in this world to hide. Hand in hand, they lead the way, having such a perfect day. Oh, Lily and Rory, the perfect pair. Laughter is floating up in the air. Jumping to the rhythm, keeping it so sweet. Bouncing all together down the neon street. Yeah, with the two of them, the day is complete. Best friends forever. See you tomorrow. Red coat, flying purple hair in the breeze, walking down the avenue with absolute ease. Two best friends stepping out in the sun. Every single day is a whole lot of fun. Rory tells a story, Lily gives a smile, enjoying the weather for a little while. Oh, Lily and Rory, walking down the street, moving to the rhythm, stepping to the beat. Catch the happy feeling, shine so bright. Everything together is perfectly right. Yeah, Lily and Rory, the ultimate team, living in a colorful, beautiful dream. Neon pink and the brightest red, nothing but a clear blue sky ahead. Taking every step with a happy little tune, singing out loud in the afternoon. They don't need to hurry, they are taking their time, making up a melody, finding the right. Step to the left and step to the right, keeping the energy happy and bright. Side by side, wherever they go, the coolest best friends in the cartoon show. Oh, Lily and Rory, walking down the street, moving to the rhythm, stepping to the beat. Catch the happy feeling, shine so bright. Everything together is perfectly right. Yeah, Lily and Rory, the ultimate team, living in a colorful, beautiful dream. The ultimate team, singing oh, have a beautiful day. Lily steps out with her head in the clouds, standing out bright in the middle of crowds. Purple braids bouncing, feeling so free. The happiest girl that you ever will see. She carries a rainbow wherever she goes, from the top of her head to the tip of her toes. Oh, and a starry little dress. She is filling the day with absolute success, singing a melody soft and clear, chasing away every worry and fear. Step to the rhythm, follow the light, making the afternoon colorful and bright. Round and round, let the music play. Lily is making a beautiful day. Oh, painting the world in purple and pink, quicker and brighter than anyone can think. Lily's walking on a magical street, moving along to a beautiful beat. Yeah, everything is shining, everything is new. Lily's bringing the magic to you. Bring the magic, singing oh. See you next time. Lily has her purple braid shining in the sun. Rory wears his bright red cape, ready for some fun. On street, walking side by side, taking in the colorful world, smiling with such pride. No more running, no more